I use this to spray the bees down. This is a shaking box. So what you're going to do is, are you right-handed?
Yes.
Turn the box to where the tab is out. That holds your queen. Now, when you take the can out and this drops down inside,
right,
you know who's going to go get it?
She is.
Oh.
Well, I guess that answers that.
All right. Now, pull this off just like this. Now you see this is loose. Sometimes they're fastened.
Okay.
I'm going to hold it down, give them a bump down, put a little syrup. Now I'm going to reach over here and I'm going to get the cage or the can right out. See?
Okay.
Now I'm going to give it one more bump. Pull this out. Set this here. Set this to the side here. There's the queen cage. See, it's not fastened. I'm going to put just a little bit more sugar water. Bump it one more time. Take the queen out. Set this off to the side. Set you something on there where it don't blow off. Pull this thing here off. And then that's the candy end. This is the open end where we put the queens in. Now I always do this because I do 40 or 50 at a time. Take your cork out.
Okay.
And this is what students I teach. You put that cork in your pocket. If I give you 10 packages to put in, I want to see 10 corks. If you've got one cork short, you know what you got to do?
Check them all.
You got to go all in hives. And then when they're shook, they're a little upset.
Because otherwise you'll have a queen that'll never get free.
Right. And then you put it in between the frame, like so. See, now this is too loose, see? So what you do when you pull it over like this, and you find a round piece of a limb, something to fit in there. Well, no Wheaties this morning.
Want to try this one, Don?
See if you can. I need one that size there, I think. This one here, I might be a little too small. Let's see. Well, that might do. Yeah, this will work. And I want to put it in the middle. See, it's like this.
Okay. And you
Now,
want to keep your queen in the middle?
yeah. See, now there's tension in it. It's not going to drop. Now I'm going to put the shaking box on. This acts just like a funnel. Now, when I shake these bees in here, I'm going to drop that cage right in front, so watch when I drop it. Now, see, right now we got crawlers. See, they're coming up the cage? Put them down. Put some more sugar water on them. Bump them down. Put them in. Set your cage on top. And I'll pick the cage up and set it in front. Now we got to feed them. This is the syrup.
Okay.
I'll open it up. Remember I told you, when you feed bees, if you mix it yourself, it should be like peach syrup.
Right.
Now look at this. Is that like peach syrup?
A little thin.
Huh?
Or is that?
That's how thick it is. See it?
Oh, okay. Without the peaches.
Lots of peaches, see?
Okay.
Now, everybody wants to tell you that 1-to-1 and all this stuff. Do what we do here and you'll be in good shape. See if you can find another lid. Now see, less than a minute, they're in.